Today we're going to talk about how to put together a portable toilet kit. Now you may ask, why would I want to do this? Well, perhaps you live in California in earthquake territory. One day the earthquake hits and the water lines may break and the sewer line breaks, and suddenly you don't have a toilet that you can use. Now, a second reason you might want to have a portable toilet kit is perhaps you're a camper like me. I'm going to be going out to the desert with lots of people and camping on hard ground. So there's no place to dig a hole and there are no restrooms or porta potties. So I have to bring a portable toilet kit with me. So let me show you what's in my kit. So what I have here is a luggable loo with a nice tight lid. I have biodegradable plastic bags. These bags go inside of here, of course, just like you would a trash can. And in the bottom of the bag, you will actually add kitty litter. And this is so it absorbs number one. Okay? And we also have here toilet paper, of course, baby wipes, and Perel. Okay, so what about privacy issues? Of course, you don't want everyone watching you. So one of the things you could do is you could wear a full skirt, Exhibit A, but of course, this is not a wise choice. Or if you have a throw in the car, you might look like this. But I think I have a better solution for you. Now this is what I call the most elegant solution, is to get one of these. And as you can see, I have room for all my stuff, and when I close the door and zip it up, I will have all the privacy I need. Okay? So thanks for watching.